almost caught us. But I added some heavy chairs there and shut the door, so we're gonna be fine.
Okay. So we're making the fake tarantula here with black Play-Doh, right? And
Of course, black.
Lulu is putting on Landi is putting on the legs.
Oh, these are too long.
Oh,
They're
that's
too
okay.
long.
It could be like Mommy Long Legs, right?
Guys, don't believe in that. She's creepy.
Is she creepy?
She's freaking me.
I thought she was nice.
She's not even nice a bit.
Oh, seriously?
She's not nice.
Oh.
Kiss Missy is nice.
Oh, Kissy Missy. Okay. These legs look great. They don't have to be perfect.
Kissing Missy does have your normal size legs.
Ah, okay. Well, let's get this tarantula finished so that we can get the prank happening.
Okay.
Okay, what are you looking for?
I'm trying to cut.
Oh, okay, you can just use we can use that after. We can do that after. Because I think they're downstairs. So you want to cut them so that they have even legs. Okay, so we're going to do 4 legs on each side.
They saw. Did you know when the first time they discovered the tarantula?
No.
It was in 99 one,
Okay.
45 one, and 65 one.
Okay. Where did you hear that?
I don't actually know.
Okay. Do you want to roll out one of the legs, honey, how I showed you? Yeah, just like that. That's how you make a leg.
This.
That's how you make a tarantula leg. Yeah.
No, break it.
This would be a fun craft to do at Halloween. But the tarantulas come out now at this time of year around our house. And so this is
Does not look like a tarantula.
Well, it looks like a scary spider, doesn't it? It will when we're finished with it.
We should make this on Halloween.
I know.
We could freak our neighbors out.
Ah!
But how about we put it on our neighbor's front door?
Oh my goodness. I don't know if we should do that. We could put it on our front door to scare trick-or-treaters maybe.
Yeah.
That's a good idea though.
That's great.
Yeah.
I need to do this.
Okay.
If you want to do this for Halloween, then don't put it on someone else's doorbell.
On their doorstep, yeah. It might be too scary for them, but we can put it on our doorstep because they'll be expecting scary things at Halloween. So, okay, I've got an idea. Why don't we finish making this, okay? Why don't we finish rolling the legs out and putting them on, and then our next video is going to be us pranking
Our sister.
Yeah, because she tried to prank you earlier in a video with a snake.
It didn't work out.
It didn't work out, so we're going to try better this time.
Absolutely not surprised.
And then you ended up loving it, and you made it your pet, and what did you call the snake? What did you name the snake?
Topia.
I thought you named it nothing.
I named it Topia.
What are you looking for up here?
Something to cut it.
Oh, I don't think oh, okay, you're going to use that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. Will that stick and cut it? Oh, I guess that works. Okay.
Wait, we're not done yet.
Okay.
It's gonna take really long.
Okay, but why don't we just finish this up, and then on the next video we can show them the finished product, and then the prank too, okay? Okay, so let's say bye.
Have a great day, and have a happy Halloween.